This is a quick tutorial on how to use BandLab. BandLab will be the software that you'll be using to complete your music assignments over the next few weeks. So the first thing you will need to do is copy the link that will be provided either via email or the Bridge Academy website and copy it into the address bar here. Once you've done that, you'll be asked for a few bits of information like your name. Can you please put your first name and last name so we know who you are? Can you put, the next one will be your email, so you can use your Bridge Academy email, and then finally a password that you will remember. Then you click continue. It will ask if you want to upload a photo. You don't need to upload a photo. You just need to click continue, and then you will come to this page here. On this page here we have our assignment, so you're going to create a pop composition. You can read through the assignment, and once you've read through, you can click on start assignment. You click on teacher's assignment, and then we're going to start with adding a MIDI instrument. So we have our assignment brief here on the right hand side. We just need to click assignment brief, then we can free up our screen a little bit with instruments. And the first thing we're going to do is add a drum loop to keep us in time. So we click on loops, and here we have some genres and also instruments. So the first thing I'm going to do is click on beat, so I can click on drums. I'm going to find a drum beat that I like. So if you simply click on the beat, you scroll down and find one that you like. When you find one you like, you can drag it into your project. Okay, so once your drum loop is in your project, we're going to now extend the loop. So if you go to the top right hand corner, as you would do in Logic for those that have used it before, you simply top right hand corner, click and drag. Now if you're a year 7 student, we'll be expecting you to use mainly loops in your composition, in which case you can click reset and you can find maybe a bass sound, genre, let's go funk. Click on the sound, and you drag it into drag a loop, and then line it up where you want it to come in, and again top right hand corner to click and extend your loops. Now if you're dragging a loop that you don't like, you can simply click on the loop and press backspace, or you can right click on the track, delete track, and that will get rid of the track altogether. Now if you're recording your own parts, you can use your QWERTY keyboard or the keyboard that's on your computer or on your tablet to do that. So you go to add track, click on MIDI instrument, and then once you've done that, you can click on instrument down in the bottom left hand corner, and then there you have your keyboard, and using you can use the keys on your keyboard to play the piano. Now I'm going to select a piano sound. I'm going to select an electric piano sound. We have lots of different instruments here. So if I wanted a guitar sound, I click on guitar, and then there's different sounding guitars. You can have a little listen to them and find one that you like. Like I said, I'm going to use a piano sound. And I'm going to keep it on a electric piano. So once you have done that, you then have this octave button. Now if the octave is set to 2 when you come to play your chords, it sounds quite low down, so we're going to put it up to about number 4. Okay, so once you've done that, you can then record your chords. So I'm going to put my cursor to the beginning. Now when you're recording, you need to press the red button to start recording, However, there's a slight glitch with this program where you have to press the red button and then click back on your piano sound, otherwise it won't play the chords in. So we press record, back on our piano sound. Once I've done that, I can press the spacebar to stop, or press stop up here. Then I have my track. Now to shorten the track, simply go to the bottom left hand corner, bottom right hand corner, and then you can drag it in and out. Now you can quantize. So to quantize, if you click on your track and you go to MIDI editor, you can zoom in and out using these buttons here. You can draw a loop, the piano roll, and then you can quantize at the bottom here. So I'm going to quantize this to 1. You may need to experiment and listen to your work to see what you need to quantize it to. And then again, I'm going to loop that like so. Go into the top right hand corner and dragging it. Now if you want to record some vocals, you can do by going to add track and then clicking on voice mic, and you can use the microphone in your computer to record some vocals. Finally, you can create a verse, a chorus, but if you want to copy, so say for instance you've done your A section or your verse and you do a chorus and then you want to go back to your verse, you can select the parts you want to copy. You can click Alt, keep it held down, click and drag, and that will copy your track over. So for instance, you could have your verse here, chorus, and then your verse, back to your verse at the end. If you are using loops, one thing to bear in mind, make sure that it's C major is selected, otherwise you might get all sorts of different keys and it might not sound very nice, so please make sure C major is selected. Then you can save along the way, you don't need to complete this all in 1 hour. So once you've saved, you are able to exit, and then your project will be here. To open it again, simply go to Open in Mix Editor, and your project will reopen again. And then finally, when you're ready to submit your work over the next few weeks, you click Submit. You don't need to add any notes, just click Submit, and then we will receive your work and we'll have a listen to it and see how you've got on. If there are any problems, please email your teacher, and we will try and help you out, or contact us on Teams, and good luck.